JavaScript, and here I'm going to tell you that what is JavaScript math. Okay, here the JavaScript math is we have the JavaScript math is JavaScript as a built-in math object that provides or is that process that provides or is that process. Okay. JavaScript process and JavaScript maths. So it will provide the mathematical functions. Okay, using mathematical functions it will be provides the mathematical operations or else. In the real time examples I am going to tell you that in the mathematical expressions we will use it as the calculations of the hour, session, marks and all the things. Okay, so I'll give some scenario here. And constants means we never change what the calculation is king, and here in the real time we will use that will be the math of calculations and marks, student marks we need to calculate student marks and salaries using with mathematical calculations. Okay, so I'm going to execute some example using Visual Studio Code, and already we have taken some examples using folder. So I'm going to take one JavaScript folder here, and here click on back, here type the CMD. So what happened, the command prompt has to be open in your Visual Studio Code. So code space dot enter, this will be redirected to the particular folder. So I'll tell you what is the save, what is the extension for saving JavaScript. That will be the math.js. so this will be the saving for extension for mathematics, extension for JavaScript. And here directly I am taking. So what is directly the console.log? What is this console.log? The console.log will be the printing statement in the JavaScript. Okay, so here I have taken some value here, so it is not printed. Why? So this is I am not declaring anything here, that will be printed as pi value. So this is a pi value, so we need to declare using some variable declaration we need to take actually. So how to declare the variable declaration here? So that will be the pi we need to take, I think var. Okay, var or else let we will take. Okay, let pi equal to I'm going to taking some pi value here 3.14. So here I'm going to declaring, so it is undefined, it is coming. Why? Why undefined is coming here? So pi value we need to take like this. So here I'm going to take the pi value. So see here, some pi value is printing. So we have the predefined functions in the math functions. Okay. So after that, I'm going to printing some console.log. Here I'm going to take, that will be math. So class is important here. Okay. So here square root. So I'm going to take the square root here. So here I am taking 25 something. Okay, so what it will be printed, square root of 5, that will be, sorry, square root of 25, so that will be 5. So see here, so already predefined functions is there in the math. So like that it is printing. So some predefined functions is there, I'll show you here using math. And after that power, I'm going to using power here. So that will be 2, 3. So what happened? It is 8. 2, 3 power. It is 8. So after that console.log. Here I am going to taking math dot round. Here I am taking 4.7 here. So what round I am going to taking? So we will see. So what happened? This is a 5 it is taken 4.5. So math around I'm going to taking here, the around the value it is taking here. Okay, so after that console.log, I'm taking another operation using math and floor. What is the floor? We will see. Floor for I'm taking the 4.7. okay, so here around the floor what is happening? So around is a 4, it is taking floor division, that will be 4 it is taking. Okay, so after that, so this is very easy in the math operations while you are going to applying here. Okay, so the math, it is sil means what? 4.2. okay, so here I am applying something. So 4.2, it is, some error is falling. So I think it is, okay, sorry. Here console.log, okay. So this is 5, around is 5. Okay, are you getting this point? Kavya?
It's like
So after that, I'm going to tell you the some random. Okay, some random values in JavaScript. Okay, so mainly it will use in gaming applications. Okay, JavaScript. So here it is used math dot random. This is the function for that. Okay, this is the method we are going to using to generate the random numbers between 0 inclusive and 1 is exclusive. 0 we are taking and exclusive will be 1. Okay, so I'm going to take one example using this random. Okay, same thing, you need to go the Visual Studio. This will be the math operations. I'm going to using here the single comment. Okay, and after that I'm going to add, that will be here random in JavaScript, random in JavaScript. So so I'm going to commenting this also. What is commenting? What is comments, Kavya? What is comments?
Comments single.
What is comment use? Comment use will be not executable lines. Okay,
Ah, yes.
these lines are
Mm-hmm.
not executable. Okay, so after that I'm going to take here, that will be the console.log. Here math dot random. So I'm going to add this. So after that some random value is printed. So in that gaming application, some tasks we are going to using, this backend code will be running like this only. Okay, so after that console.log, here also I'm taking some math operation, math.random into 10. Okay, so here the random, it is done with the random method using product here. So it is some value as thrown here. Okay, so after that flow division I'm going to use using random only. Console.log math dot floor, here I'm going to use math dot random. Okay, so into 6, here I'm concatenating something using 1. Okay, we will see. So some random is taken using 1. So here what happens, it is random dice roll. So here random dice roll, it is taken, actually this is into the -6 -1. So in that scenario it is have taken. So in the dice format it is taken. So using these all are math functions using in gaming applications. Okay, like a toss and all the things. Okay, are you getting my point? So after that boolean. So what is boolean? What is boolean? Boolean in JavaScript. So boolean is simply, you can say that will be the true or false, right? So here boolean, I'll give a small definition for interview point of view. Values are either true or false, either true or false. They are used in conditions, and compares. Okay, so the boolean values is boolean values like a true or false, it will be taken. So how it will be used in real time examples, so that will be is logged in, is not logged in, like that. So it's logged in, it will be the true, is not logged in, it comes under the false. Okay, so I'm going to add something here, single line comment I'm using. So booleans in JavaScript. Okay, so I'm going to declaring let is a variable. So here I'm giving one variable name. So in the variable name I'm taking that scenario, that will be the logged in. So logged in, this will be the true. Okay, so let is admin, so this will be the false. Okay, so after that console.log, here I'm taking boolean, so here 0. So here console.log boolean 1. Okay, so here console.log, so here true or false is happening. 0 is a true, 1 is a false. Okay, so here console.log, here boolean, it is taking some empty string I'm passing. Empty string is here I'm passing, so that will be, it is the empty. Okay, so this is the false is happening 0 and 1 is happening true. So empty string I'm passing, so this will be empty. So it is taking a default, that will be the false only. Okay, so another operation I'm going to perform here. So that will be the console.log. Here I'm taking boolean JS. Okay, in the empty string I'm going to pass, that will be the JS, it will be taking as a true. So we will see non-empty string is passing here. So see here, false means what? 0. Okay, so true means what? That will be the 1. So empty string I'm passing, so defaultly it is taking as a true. So here JS also I'm passing is admin, so this is the JS is admin, so that's why it is taking as a true. So true or false only I'm taking. So empty string is I'm going to passing here, so default it is taking only true only. Defaultly it is taking true, so that is 1 is defaultly it is taking. So index values is starting from 0. So here in the you are going to passing the empty string, over there it is taking the true only defaultly. Okay, any doubts here?
No doubts.
So after that I'm going to tell you the comparisons in JavaScript. Okay, comparisons in JavaScript, and after that we have the comparisons operator, comparison operators returns a boolean value, that will be, it is taking as a true and false comparisons. Okay, so remember one thing, we have the two types of operations, that will be equal to and triple equal to. So equal to will be the comparating operators and triple equal to will be the strictly follows. Okay, so here equaling the data type as well condition in the strictly follows. Okay, so we have the operations that will be equal to, so it is checks the value only, and after that triple equal to, here it will be checks the value as a type. Okay, and after that not equal to, so not equal to will be based on condition, it will be equaling or not, it will checks, and after that not equal to equal to, so here the not equal to also the same thing is happens, that it will checks the type as well, it is not equaling or not, and after that greater than and less than and greater than equal to, and this checks the less than or equal to. Okay, already you know this is the basic scenarios, so I am going to execute using this concept. Okay, so after that I am going to taking some example here. Console, So blindly please remember, in a JavaScript, console means that will be the printing statement. Okay, console.log, and after that console.log 5 equal to. Okay, so I am passing in the string manner. So what happens, it is checks the true or false. So here see, I am going to commenting this all the operations first. Okay, so it is true or false.
బులియన్ లో ఎంటీ ఇస్తే ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలా?
I didn't get you, Kavya.
హలో,
అర్థం కాలే కామెంట్.
ఇప్పుడు అదే బులియన్ లో మనం ఎంటీ ఎంటీ ఇచ్చినాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇచ్చినాం కదా, సో దానికి ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలి అక్క, ఎందుకు ట్రూ అవుతుంది?
యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటి అంటే ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇస్తే మనకి సినారియో ప్రకారం ఏంటి అంటే మనకి 0s and 1s తీసుకోవాలి. ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ అనేది 0s and 1s తీసుకోవాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది అని అంటే డిఫాల్ట్గా ట్రూ అనే తీసుకుంటుంది, ఫాల్స్లోకి వెళ్ళదు. ఎందుకు అంటే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి అంటే మనం 1 నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో 1 అంటే ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ట్రూ అనే కదా. సో అలానే ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ కాకుండా ఇది బులియన్ వాల్యూస్ అనేది చెక్ చేసి తీసుకుంటుంది. సో 1 ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది పాస్ చేస్తే నువ్వు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్, console.logలోని ఇక్కడ నువ్వు 5 ఈక్వలింగ్ అండ్ ఈక్వలింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ట్రూ, వి విల్ సీ. It is true. Okay, so I'm going to pass in here some 6 something. So false. So it is not comparing, it is comparing. So it should be equal to 5 and 5, that's it. So it will be past the true. So this is false, so it should be equaling. So it is equaling, it will be past something here. So that will be the true. Okay, so I'm going to pass in the strictly equal to. So console.log going to passing some equal to and 5. So what is the as per definition here, the definition is taking that will be the equal to. So it is defining a type and it is differentiating something. So it is equaling as well type, it is defining, right? So we will see. So false. Why? We are not giving any type here. So I am not declaring any with the type. Okay. So here console.log. So can you tell me some example here, Kavya? Using which operator? Using not equal to operator. Please tell me. Not equal to operator. Can you tell me? I'm going to giving some.
Hello.
Yeah, Kavya.
6 not equal to. Okay.
6 not equal to.
Not equal to 8.
8. It is present true or false?
False.
True. Why? 6 is not equal to 8.
Okay. Okay.
So true only. So something 6 is equal to 6. You are going to give. False. 6
False.
is equal to 6 only. So you are giving apart from any number that is not equal to 6 only, right? Console.log. I am going to give 5.
Great.
Okay. Greater than
Great.
5 or else 10 I'm going to take. Okay. So true. Okay. So this is basic scenarios. Please go. than equal to 10. Okay. So that is also true. So less than or equal